Struggling to start cardio? In just 3 minutes, you can kickstart your fitness journey with a simple yet effective routine. Cardio doesn't have to be daunting or time-consuming. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a quick workout, this routine is designed to get your heart pumping and your body moving without overwhelming you. Let's dive in and make the most of these 3 minutes. I'll show you a beginner routine that's both fun and easy to follow. This routine is perfect for those who are new to exercise or anyone who wants to add a quick cardio session to their day. The best part? You don't need any special equipment, just a bit of space and a positive attitude. Ready to get started? Let's go! This routine is designed to be enjoyable and effective. You'll be surprised at how quickly the time flies when you're having fun. Plus, you'll start to see and feel the results in no time. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now let's break down the routine step by step. Start with 20 seconds of marching in place. Lift those knees high and pump your arms. This move is great for warming up your muscles and getting your blood flowing. Imagine you're marching in a parade and keep that energy up. If you need to, you can march at a slower pace, but try to keep those knees up as high as you can. Next, move on to 20 seconds of jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a fantastic full-body exercise that works your arms, legs, and core. Keep a steady rhythm and try to land softly on your feet to reduce impact. If jumping is too intense, don't worry. We have a modification for you. Modify if you need to by stepping side to side. This low-impact version of jumping jacks is easier on the joints, but still provides a great cardio workout. Just step out to the side with one foot while raising your arms, then switch sides. Keep moving and stay light on your feet. Finally, finish with 20 seconds of butt kicks, heel to glutes. This exercise targets your hamstrings and glutes while also giving you a good cardio boost. Try to kick your heels up as high as you can and keep a steady pace. Once you've completed the butt kicks, you've finished one round of the routine. Repeat this sequence 3 times for a full 3-minute workout. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Do this daily, and you'll feel stronger in no time. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. By dedicating just 3 minutes a day to this routine, you'll build a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your endurance, strength, and overall well-being. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Like and follow for more quick workouts. We're here to support you on your fitness journey with more tips, routines, and motivation. Don't forget to share your progress with us and let us know how you're doing. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals and lead healthier, happier lives. Stay active, stay positive, and keep moving forward.